Hi, boys and girls. We're going to be working on Lesson 12, Grade 1, Journey's Sight Words. And it's a little different this week, isn't it? Because these cards are actually smaller than our last ones. And there are more of them. I think there's like 8 of them this week. So let's go ahead and read them. This starts off with a blend. Brown. Brown. It's a color word. Brown. What does that one say? Brown. And this is a hyena. Remember the hyena from our story yesterday? Some hyenas have brown fur. So brown, brown, brown. Okay, next one says own, own, own. What does this one say? Own. Zebras know their own mother by her stripes. So maybe you couldn't tell which one was his mother, but he can. Own. And she knows that's her own baby. Okay, next one. Do you already know this one? Sort of a tricky one. That says an E sound at the end of that word. It says very. Whoops. It says what? Very. The snake in that tree is very long. Very. Okay, next word is off. The two F's make one sound. Off. What does that one say? O-F-F spells off. How about this one? Off. The bird flew off the rock and into the air. Off. Next word says, sound it out. Never. 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 What does this one say? Never. What does that one say? Never. This is a rhino. Rhinos eat plants. They never eat meat. That's interesting. So like maybe you can offer them a hamburger and they wouldn't eat it? Guess not, because they never eat meat. Oopsie. This says no, and it's sort of tricky because you expect the K is going to say k, but KN, when you see a KN, the K is silent. The N says its name, the K is silent. So this is no, no. It's a tricky word. You're just going to have to learn it. It's one of those sight words that makes no sense. No. What does this one say? No. Leopards know how to climb trees. They do. Can't believe how long his tail looks in this picture. It's all the way out here. No. Okay, next one is out. We learned last time that OU makes the ow sound. I think that was last week. Sometimes it does. And so this is out. And so what does this one say? O-U-T spells out. And this O-U-T word spells out. And I wonder what sentence they're going to make with the word out. I called out to Mom. Look at that turtle. Oh, maybe they're at some kind of an aquarium or a pond maybe. And he called out to his mom. Okay, next word. This one says bin. A long time ago in Old English, it used to say been, like how have you been? But now we just say been. We're sort of lazy when we say it, and that's okay because everyone does it. So this says been, and this says bin. So what do you think this one says? B-E-E-N spells bin. The giraffes have been moving fast. All right, they look like they're all running together in a big herd. All right, so I think we're all set with our sight words. Thank you for listening.